Yeah, it might be.
Hi everyone, I'm Sam Brock, in for Morgan and Vicky today. NBC News Daily starts right now. Today is Tuesday, May 20th. Trail of destruction. Recovery efforts still underway across the South and Midwest as communities there brace for
Instant levitation.
We're tracking all of it.
Levitation hydraulics.
Your reaction to those high-stakes phone calls between President Trump and the leaders of Russia and Ukraine, the latest on potential ceasefire negotiations and the push to end the war. Countdown to kickoff. NFL owners set to meet this week to discuss new proposals and the football season, the major changes we could be discussing on the field and off of it. And skin safety. Memorial Day now less than just 1 week away. Many are getting ready to
Yeah, she's probably saying, gotta come through the front door, not the back door.
And welcome to NBC News Daily. On this Tuesday, we start with yet another wave of severe weather tearing across the Midwest and the South. Devastated communities that are still wheeling and cleaning up from the weekend's deadly tornado.
Yep, that's it, the refrigerator.
Once again today. That includes the town of London.
And then it goes
The
down.
governor just announced
It's like a levitation going up and down.
storms have been relentless, with 115 reported tornadoes across the country since just Thursday. Right now, 37 million Americans are in the path of dangerous weather, with even more strong tornadoes possible. You can see London, Kentucky, as we mentioned, right there on the map. This tornado season has been so busy that it's set a new milestone. 2025 now ranks second for the most tornadoes ever year to date. NBC News correspondent Kathy Park joining us live on the ground from London, Kentucky. We just see behind you, Kathy, splinter homes. The devastation is clear. The governor just gave a news conference there and announced that some neighborhoods are going to
I'm
need
gonna take it off.
to prepare for even more severe weather.
I'm gonna take the box off. Whoops.
Hey, Sam, good afternoon to you. Yeah, the governor
Okay, they're gonna.
doubling down on the urgency of getting people out of harm's way. Severe weather is on the way later on this
The story was thinking she would have to have Tommy and Bobby and them, plus her, to take the box off and then throw it out for the trash man or the claw truck to get it. But it slides right off. Okay, they'll keep it in the truck. Okay, here we go.
Sam, if you just take a look, you can see just how massive this debris field is right now. This is just a snapshot of what we are seeing here in this
Here goes anything.
Everywhere you turn here in London, Kentucky, you are seeing homes completely destroyed. A lot of the cleanup has already gotten underway, but you see massive debris pile after debris.
Yeah, that'll work.
With these damaging winds,
Yeah, it's silver on the front.
so the concern is that these could actually become projectiles, become extremely
Yeah.
dangerous as the storm ramps up, Sam.
You spoke so compellingly that you concern. It always feels like
Oh, Tommy scared the daylights out of him.
these types of tragedies
You must be feeling better.
in the same location.
The last couple of days you've been hacking up a storm in the bathroom
You're trying to pick up all
because of your infection.
just these pieces of debris before the next construction.
Okay, I'm sorry, Sam. Of course, we're in a disaster zone, so we're having some audio issues. But just looking ahead, really, there is, as I mentioned, a lot of cleanup that's been already going on. That's why you're probably seeing these massive debris piles. And residents are really just kind of processing this natural disaster right now because it's, it's been a couple of days now. It happened over the weekend. And so many people are just so lucky to be alive. We have been hearing so many survival stories, and unfortunately, 19 people died here in Kentucky, but there are so many people who actually survived this natural disaster, Sam.
And just to see Kathy, thank you so much. People going through their belongings, right, and trying to find some remnants, anything of their lives is always beyond heartbreaking. Kathy Park from London, Kentucky, thank you so much for that. Let's bring in NBC News meteorologist Bill Cairns now. So, Bill, time this out for us if you don't mind. Where and when could we see
Today's
this severe weather
Tuesday, May
potential
20,
and
2020.
tornadoes yet again here for the next round? Sam, we're going to watch two
They called
rounds
around
today.
12 and they got it here in time.